So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Installer. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Installer. Here it is. You're going to double click on this. Now once this comes up, you're going to click on Start. Wait for this to load, which is now going to make the server status running. And then click on OK. And now you're going to click on Restart. You want to restart the Windows Installer service. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head it with search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you're going to head it with search again and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in MSI exec space / unregister. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in MSI exec space / reg server. Click on enter again. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.